goes for a few. Scores in the hand. I mean, the tally out period here. Starting on the Red Alliance 1640, Rabbit Code from the single segment. While 360 Ludex on the Blue Alliance scores another cone over the top right. Back on the Red Alliance 1640, takes their cone and goes for a score. Meanwhile, 8085 on the cube. Goes to the top four. Scores. So on the Red Alliance 5181 has a cube. Going back to their station to score. 8085 swerving around the field with a go. On the Blue Alliance 5740 scores a cone, while 272 scores a cube. Completely no leak for the Blue Alliance. Over on the Blue Alliance, 360 grabs the cone from the front station and swerves back to the scoring grid. Place one more cone. 272 takes their cube and places it in the Harvard Road, getting points to the Blue Alliance. Over on the Blue Alliance, 1640 with the cone going back to the grid to score. 1640 scores the cone on the high note, completing the link for the Red Alliance. 52 seconds, 85 to 84 Red. Over on the Blue Alliance, 5740. Grab the cube to score into the pile. 272 scores the cube into the high note. 5181 scores after the station as we approach the end of tally-out period here. 30 seconds left in the match, and the tally-out period. The pro turn 5181 starts the rally. 272 scores with one last cube before two robots on the Blue Alliance. 1640 gets the balance of the Red Alliance, 100 to 107. 8 seconds left in the game. Two blue robots balance.